Want to try spot cleaning your own couch? You can do it. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button. You'll be happy you did.
This video is going to show you how to effectively spot clean your couches and chairs. We have wet cleanable upholstery right here with a few simple ingredients, a few simple tools that you have around the house. We're going to show you how to do it coming up right now. This is not an in-depth video about how to test for color fastness and do a thorough cleaning of a whole sofa. That link that we did produce is down below. The link to all of these detergents and equipment are down below too. And this is the rinse material we use. This is the detergent that's in the peel here that we apply to the fabric. Those links are down below. You can easily, if you don't have these and you need to get to the spotting quickly, you can easily substitute for the all fiber rinse, white vinegar and water solution, or Woolite detergent is a great substitute for this professional product. But these products here work great. Simply, what you would do is you would use a natural sponge. We love these. They're gentle and effective. You go in, mix these according to directions. Directions are on the bottle. You can ask questions down below if you have any. You would apply the detergent to the wet cleanable fabric. Pretty easy. Then when it comes to rinsing it, after you've dissolved the spot, you would use a simple wet vac like this. Doesn't have to be a big one. This is a 6 gallon, 6 horsepower rather. And you can use a pump up sprayer. Sometimes we use those, but a typical extra trigger spray that you might have, a spray bottle at home, mix all fiber rinse according to directions. And you would mimic professional extraction by spraying just like this, just like that. So I'm going to show you that now, and we're going to see if we can't rinse out this spot.
You'll see how the simple spray bottle with the all fiber rinse mimics professional extraction. There really isn't much difference here between professional extraction and what this process is. It's basically a wet vac and a spray system that puts down the rinse agent, emulsifying the soils, pulling it all the way into a waste tank, and leaving the fabric barely damp. When it dries, it'll be clean, fresh, and soft. You might even leave a clean spot, which will encourage you to go ahead and clean the rest of the sofa. And again, that link is below. The wet vac and the spray give enough power to remove most soils from a fabric like this. You should have good luck and follow the process with several dry passes to get as much moisture out as you possibly can.
It's really not too difficult to do your own spot cleaning. Again, the links for all the equipment and the detergent is down below. Be careful if you haven't cleaned your upholstery before, especially something with multiple colors. Test for color fastness before you clean, because you can easily make matters worse if these dyes are not stable. We appreciate you watching. If you like the video, we appreciate a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more like this, and that little bell next to it, and you'll be notified next time we upload a video. Again, all the products from our affiliate page on Amazon are down below. Thank you again. We appreciate it. Comments and questions are welcome.